I'm traveling through Europe right now, and I want to show you some lovely plumbing fixtures and the designs here on it. I'm Jim, the Grumpy Plumber. But here's a European bathroom, or Europe in here. Of course, they're big into these wall-hung toilets, okay? Now, a nice feature about what it is, a lot of people think, and I've told them that they have to tear the walls out to put these things in. No, what a lot of them do, they build the wall out, and the tank will fit in behind like this shelf right here. I mean, you can usually about 6 inches, 8 inches or something like that, in the carrier and all that fit right inside the wall, and it's easier to do. But you have to have enough width in your bathroom, or enough space in your bathroom to do that. So that's a Roco toilet, which I've never heard of, which Gerbrand is a big popular toilet here and stuff. They like to take and float their vanities. I think that's a great idea. We do that a lot in the States. This particular bathroom is pretty much all growy. Here's a shower valve in here that I just love these. I always loved them since the first time I've seen them. They're like, this is probably on 6-inch centers, but they, it wouldn't matter because you plumb it anyway. This here is adjust the rain head or the body spray type thing. This either up or down, you push it in to turn one or the other. This is your complete hot and cold temperature. And it even has a stop on it so that you can't scald yourself on it. So, and a lot of them are coming with this exposed shower head, which I've done that in one of my bathrooms at home. I love that exposed shower arm and flange, and don't have to deal with it. The shower head is still up here on them. You just use it for a bracket. They kind of set it up, and it's a great way to do it on that. So here's the biggest feature as we come into this right here. They're smart. These are shut-offs for bathrooms. Look at, they mark them. You can shut this whole bathroom down, even though the wall hung doesn't have it. There's a shut-off inside the wall, but the lab's got shut-offs underneath it individually. But this shuts the whole bathroom down so that you can fix it. And that's a great idea, especially when you get into an apartment. This is a big apartment complex, but even in homes, they do this that I've stayed in here and stuff. These are just great ideas. They're simple, and they're quality. I mean, this is a huge complex that we're in this apartment, and they're using growy valves. I mean, they're not cheap, but they must know they're gonna last, so that's why they use them. But I'm just saying, buy something good. You're better off buying it. And even if you got to replace the stuff you got, replace it once. Don't replace it 20 times, replace it once. So I'm the Grumpy Plumber, and I hope you like this idea. Thanks.